So I'm gonna quickly peel my potatoes. You can use potato peeler, okay, but I just feel to use the knife. I got potato peeler, the one you use to peel your carrots. You can use it. So I'm gonna be peeling just these two, okay. So I'm gonna slice them. Okay, slice them like that. So guys, I finished chopping it up. Then I put it in the bowl to go and wash the starch off. Okay, I'm gonna go in the bowl. I'm gonna wash it, then boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, that's my potato. That is the potato. I'm gonna be washing it. Wash off the starch. Okay, then I go and boil it. So I'm gonna wash it. Wash the potato. You see, then I go and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, I have parboiled my chopped potato, which I'm gonna be using to do crunchy, tasty chips. I've boiled it 2 minutes to 3 minutes. So before you can dip it in the oil, you need to make it dry. So that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to dry them up with this kitchen towel. After that, I'm gonna put a little bit of cornstarch flour, put my black pepper, put my dry parsley leaf, and begin to fry in the hot oil. You need to let it dry, otherwise the oil gonna spark. You know, oil and water, they don't go together. They are not friendly. So that is the potato. It's dry, so I'm gonna just sprinkle some black pepper on top before I start frying it. Then put my cornstarch flour, a little bit, just to give it that crispiness, you know, that crunchiness. Cornstarch flour is very good. If you want to fry fish, you want to fry chicken, crispy chicken, you mix flour with cornstarch. You get that crispiness. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna mix. Then put my little parsley in there. So that is the chips. So we're gonna sit here at the kitchen paper towel then. Yummy, yummy crepes is ready. Crispy, yummy, crunchy. You see that? Guys, that is my crispy, crunchy potato chips. Potato chips is easy to make. Follow the procedure I did. If you peel your potato, chop it up like very thin, parboil it 2 to 3 minutes, dry it up, or you put it in the oven for the water to dry, or you do it the next day. Put some little flour and cornstarch flour to fry in a hot deep oil. Then I put in some onions as well. You know, that is my white one there to go with these chips tonight. Just sit down there on the couch, watch TV, and just munch on it. My crispy, crunchy potato chips is ready. This is what you do with the kids at home, you know. Just smack on them instead of wasting money buying packet of crisps. Just do your own crisps. It's very easy, easy. Watch this video to the end and see. You can put your own twist as well. My lovely crisps is ready. Look at that. Look Look at the crisps. Ready. Yummy, yummy. Yummy crisps. Good. It's lovely. Tasty, crispy. Homemade crisps. Homemade potato chips. Nice. Potato crisps. Yeah, potato crisps, not chips. Potato crisps. This you can do easily on your own at home.